Open any of them. My grandfather go open them.
Okay, so what we're doing now is so hard.
Smell it?
Smell the coconut milk. So guys, it's a nice. I max up some curry, some curry shrimp, and coconut milk, and some broccoli, and some rice and peas over there. So yeah. That tastes nice. That tastes nice. So yeah guys, me share look at this honey making go and eat it with little bread. Look at that. This look delicious and healthy. See a broccoli, Irish, carrot and why? So I'm gonna eat this with some potato bread. Watch him.
Hello.
Yeah? Watch him. So guys, Mr. Nice is going to unbox. Put it back on this one. Put it back on there.
Papa.
Mr. Nice. Watch her on the worm. Oh,
Hey! Why you freaking me?
I miss why I'm videoing you. You're in the video. No, you're not going to pull it. Alright guys, so these are some of the packages, except for this one. The rest are packages from off Mr. Nice Amazon gift list. So guys, if you wish to get him something, and make sure to click the link that's in the bio, or it will be also in the description. Okay? Yes. So we're gonna unbox. We are gonna unbox. So yeah, Mr. No, you're not.
Yeah.
So
I
wait.
can open the Somalis.
What? You're gonna open the smallest? Smallest what?
I got to open this one.
We don't want it to open any of them.
I got to open that one. I got to open this one.
You're not going to open any of them. My grandfather go open them. Right, get yourself trouble. Alright, yes guys.
Yeah, build up that density, right?
Yeah man.
Well, think I get a big
Mine cut what inside, you know? No, me don't want it. Oh. Now come too close, I just can't.
Yeah.
Can't show.
Baby got your light in the house.
You know everything, you know?
Alright, mama.
Yeah.
This is the babe.
Alright.
What's that?
So, hold on. Adjust. Thing, adjust one side.
No, me because the camera show better the way.
No, come hold up it. No, put it on his tongue. Come on. Up, come to my face now.
Alright.
Alright guys, so this is from Anicia. We can't pronounce the name. Connections. Oh, Connections. Big up yourself, Connections, she said.
Thank
Big
you.
up yourself, Mr. Nice, and enjoy
ma'am.
using your gift from Connections. I don't remember,
What?
where because
Two of them?
Anicia. Yeah, two of them.
What's that?
Guys, if you wish to purchase something, the link will be in the
That's
description.
beautiful, Lando.
That look beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Bad man.
That is how it is.
I feel Mr. Nice.
That's
Yeah, one for me and one for your father.
You are going to help dad, grandfather in the kitchen.
Yeah.
I jump with that.
A nice name.
Apron. And apron fit is still in.
Yeah, man. Hot.
Oh, you know, get the hat, guys, if you don't see in the feel like, say, unfinished on the purchase thing. I wouldn't call it? The hat, yeah, chef hat. The chef hat is there. Yeah, and it's two of them. Big up yourself, Connection.
Alright.
That one, yeah.
No, I have to open that one.
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
Alright. Well, done up here.
Hmm?
I mean, I'm here for video.
Because all me feel some.
Cut it. And then we take care of money this is Ah, and now this is a park.
Oh,
But
this
it's
one.
great.
Ah. That one is
Alright.
Can I open this one?
It says enjoy your gift from Anicia. I still connections. So connections bought this too. Daddy. She bought this.
Alright, thank you very much for this park.
Yeah.
It's a nice good park.
Yeah, that can juke sachet with it.
Yeah, but you
Okay.
and now,
Alright. And this. No. Alright, this I gonna save for last. Because this is not amongst the gift list. So yeah, we're gonna leave this to last. So time now for the big box.
yeah,
And
and
this-
this is a grill.
This is the most expensive gift on
It's
the
an
wish
apple.
the wish list. This is the most expensive one, right? So yeah. Oh, and guess what? This is also from Anicia. So the three gifts them purchase. Anissa, make sure you purchase the gift. You know, Daddy, this is also from Connections also.
Yeah, mom.
Big up yourself, darling, for all three gifts. Big up yourself.
Oh, so boxing.
Yeah.
It's too satisfying. That is too satisfying.
Yeah.
It's satisfying. It's satisfying. Which one did this one?
Watch your phone.
I don't want this. Tell me what thing I don't want. Oh.
Yes.
Why? That's this.
Yeah, good. Mr. Nice.
What's the? Oh, that's the problem.
Yeah, I think it's a set, it's a whole set out of things. So I think it's 20 something pieces. Oh, this.
Papa, tell me
Yeah, it's a
this.
whole.
Tell me
It's a whole set out on this grill. Oh, it come with that too?
You come with the school. What's I come with school driver?
They come with all the screwdriver to set it up.
Yeah.
Hang on, money.
That's nice. They were being so considerate.
Oh,
How then?
You feel like
Some black.
now feel like you can do this and like a fire.
All right.
It's like
So-
it's going lighter.
So pull this. Pull this. Pull this. Pull this, Mr.
Okay,
Nice.
let it sit there.
what's that?
Where sitting this, I say?
That I help with
Somebody.
man.
The scissors.
the. Okay.
You have manual.
Oh, the manual must be in the
I have to
bottom.
pull it.
I ordered that little girl, you know.
Oh,
This one.
yeah.
And fork.
Oh, you get a
And
fork in this too?
fork with it. And that's nice. And I get a nice brush.
Oh, and
Wow.
this one longer than the one that we have, the brush.
A scoop said we this bad.
Yeah,
Set your bad. 4 piece.
4 pieces.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Hear that, Connections? Big up yourself, darling. Wish, come and give you a job, Wishy. Wishy, all the bags them, take them up and put them.
No.
Watch out. Feet her. Sauce buckle. Ketchup or whatsoever. So that's good. Yeah, I told her that this is a big one, a good size one too.
I manual that on it.
See, come with this up, yeah. This is something.
Daddy, put this. Daddy, put this. Take it. Yeah.
There's a lot of pieces.
How much grill coming in?
Plus it's about a two story. Hey.
Okay, so what we're doing is so
Now we have this. Oh, that's a big bucket. I just have this. I want it. Wow. Bop, 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 bop. Bop. Wow. Wow.
Pass the thermometer. Alright, so the goal, guys, is to make it look like this. So we're gonna see how long it takes them. Let me see. Yeah. So the goal is for it to look like this.
Let me see what
See right to your foot.
Where's this? Where's this? Where's this? What is this?
Mommy, lock me. Mommy, lock me.
Let me see that one.
Mommy, lock me. Mommy, lock me up. Mommy. Mommy, lock me up. Lock me up. Mommy. Mommy.
Yes, baby.
Lock me up in here.
So after nearly an hour, here we are. Just the finishing touches now, guys. See how the guys like you done. You help, baby? You finish helping? Hmm? Finish helping?
That's good.
How's some nothing?
So, okay, guys. The finishing product.
One bag in itself, make it bag, you know. I wonder if me know if he set you up one.
Eh?
He make it bag itself.
Yeah, or if you cover it.
Me I say me go take you out of the bag.
Guys, yeah.
Bag,
Helicopter. Helicopter, man.
Helicopter.
That's near. Helicopter. Helicopter, guys. Whoa, in the near, man.
Helicopter.
Woo. Oh, it's in there. That's near. All the tree them. So guys, after an hour, this is it. Connections. Guys, if you know what these are for, if I throw away or if I help like this fire, I don't know. We don't know. And I just let us know. Yeah, get the sauce jug. And also these. This was bought separately from Connections too. Guys, she buy all the gifts that's presented in this.
All the gifts for y'all look for.
Yeah. Big up yourself again, Anika, darling.
Very much.
Yes. Mr. Nice,
That's the biggest sponsor, you know.
yeah, you hear that?
Yes.
Yeah. And you know the fun thing about it, Mr. Nice? You know, say I put a grill on it before and she couldn't buy it. She couldn't purchase it. I don't want mine, you know, me see. Sometimes and all the time messages come directly to me from my phone off at Instagram, and then me see this person text and me say no, since it pop up on my phone, I just check it. When I check it, she sent a picture, said she was trying to purchase the grill and she don't know what happened.
Nice size anyway. A nice size. Listen.
Nice size.
Say no, be toast up on it.
Yeah, but it has a smoker. It's good. Yeah. And she purchased the pot, but she wanted to buy the grill. You know, so I say, all right, darling, give me a look at time. I say I can update it. And the price for this was even higher. And me I tell her she buy it and buy everything else. I'm big up herself. She said, Mr. Nice. I said,
Yeah,
you're
man.
cooking with this, you know.
Yes, no man. You go see it, man. You go show you.
Wait. I'm going to ask her how far she there, you know. You're supposed to taste it now for a grill in Anika.
I'm not joke.
Connections, darling, is supposed to be tasting something off the grill, you know. But Mr. Nice.
Man, for real. Bless
Mommy.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so Mr. Nice said I got sample it. I know you got sample it, Mr. Nice, because you have one whole of ribs.
Mommy.
Yeah, so probably later. We don't know if you're not going to get back this, get a video later on or tomorrow, you know. So yeah. Look at it again, guys. One last look. Look at that. You know. It comes with all this. It's supposed to be 20 something pieces. Hold them a few books.
35.
35. Oh, it's 35 pieces. Eh? Yeah, come with the grill. And they have the thermometer in here. Yes. It's nice. And there's the bag for it. This will be opened in another video. This isn't from the Amazon wish list, but it will definitely be open in the next video. All right. Yes, so this is it, guys. Yeah.
Really, it's actually not to carry this.